it's great to have the opportunity to report back to our members on what's been a fantastically productive but very busy year. We promised in our corporate plan that we would put our members first and have an acronym, FIRST, to demonstrate that. F stands for fighting poverty. This year we've expanded Moneyline services. We've opened new outlets in Swansea, in Merthyr and in Wrexham. That scheme now has helped over 8,000 people the length and breadth of Wales. And we've also launched the Your Benefits Are Changing campaign, which has been warmly welcomed by members and other key stakeholders. In the course of the year, we've made the case for more investment in social housing grants, and fantastic to see the government give an initial tranche of an additional 20 million to help with the impact of the bedroom tax so that members could build more 1- and 2-bedroom properties. We've also felt that we need to challenge ourselves and our members and demonstrate that we're innovative. Very, very pleased to finally launch what I call the Welsh Housing Bond, the Welsh Housing Revenue Grant Scheme this year. Members will now receive revenue funding of £4 million a year for the next 30 years and will be unlocking an additional £140 million worth of investment to build over 1,000 houses and financed through pension funds, the bond market, rather than traditional bank lending. R stands for regeneration. Finally this year we've received formal support from the Welsh Government, over £1 million worth of funding over 3 years for the Centre of Regeneration Excellence, and it's great to see that now really come along as a freestanding part of the group, which obviously supports and boosts the fantastic work that members do the length and breadth of Wales in regenerating communities, spending over £500 million a year on regeneration. S stands for social enterprise, and this year delighted that we were able to secure over £1 million worth of European funding from WEFO for the Building Enterprise programme to support the work that members do in developing social enterprises and jobs in poorer communities. And finally, T stands for team collaboration, obviously within the group between crew and also with care and repair, but more broadly members have been telling us for a number of years that they want to break down the silos between housing and health, and that's why we were delighted this year to be able to move forward and actually second some CHC staff to spend time with the NHS Confederation, as well as build on the collaboration that already exists between housing associations and health organisations the length and breadth of Wales. That was really just a brief taste of the services that we've been providing, the things that we've been up to over the past year. There's a lot more in the review document. Please take the opportunity to have a look. We really do value your feedback in any which way that you'd like to give it, but obviously these days if you want to do that through social media and Twitter, we even have a hashtag CHC Review 13. Thank you very much.